Hi, Sean posting. Today we're going to talk about a very sensitive topic. A topic that mainstream media lies about. They don't want you to know the truth. But stick with me, do your own research. By the end of the video you will know the truth. And let me tell you something. This video is so controversial. It was banned from YouTube. Banned. Not only was it banned, but right after I uploaded it to YouTube, my computer crashed and it was gone. Video was erased. It's the second time I record this video. So, the topic. Did Tornado cheat? And listen, mainstream media doesn't want you to know about this. They don't care. They don't want you to know the truth. I want you to know the truth. So, in this video, I'm gonna do the research. I'm gonna show the research. And I'm gonna prove, once and for all, if Tornado cheated or not. Don't get me wrong. You must do your own research. You must be woke. Do your own research. But first, I have some research. And you might ask, who are you? Who are you to tell us what to know? Well, not only am I not the guy who built Tough as Nails, but I was there during the recordings of Robot Wars Series 6. That's right. That's how old I am. It's a cover-up. What do you think? Robot Wars 6 was cancelled after Series 7. Everybody kept talking about Series 6. And then years later, what happened? Razer in the pit, right. It was a big FU to all of us. Saying Razer can't win. Razer can never win. Where was Razer in Series 7? Razer was gone. But guys, as I told you, I've done the research and I will show you the research. Because I took the time to get live in the studio Andrew from Team Tornado. Andrew, thanks for joining us. So, people want to know, people demand to know, once and for all, did you cheat?
No.
There you have it. Tornado did not cheat.